Hello everyone, today we're taking a first look at the new iPhone 14 Pro. What is it like and how does it look? And this one is having a new color that came for the iPhone 14 Pro models, the deep purple. Okay, let's peel this off and see what's inside. And let's open it up. And here it is, the iPhone 14 Pro in all its glory, in deep purple. And whoa, color is really nice, but the first thing I notice is the camera bump. It's so huge. I mean, whoa. Now, I'm coming from iPhone 12 Pro Max and even to that, this camera bump is just so much more massive. Okay, let's see what else we have here. There's the usual paperwork, SIM card tray opener, having that Apple sticker of course. And by the way, as I'm located in Europe, there's still the SIM card tray opener, but in US it isn't included, as the iPhone 14 models in US are only with eSIM, not physical SIM cards anymore. Okay, let's check the design. Stainless steel band on the side is mirror-like, so it does look nice, but it also collects fingerprints easily. Lightning port. We can see buttons at the sides and they are unchanged. There's volume up and down buttons and silent switch on one side and the power button on the other side. Okay, let's peel this off, shall we? Okay, there we are. Power on. Apple logo. Hello. And now clearly visible this new dynamic island instead of the notch we've got used to. So all the way from iPhone 10 in 2017, we've had a notch that was having a front-facing camera and sensors for the Face ID. With iPhone 13, notch size got slightly smaller, but now it changed its looks quite a lot. And it comes alive. So you can see many things like timers, album art, waveform while media is playing or during calls. Face ID animation is popping from there, phone charging and so many more. The back of the iPhone 14 Pro features a triple camera system with the new 48 megapixel main camera. We can see color changes a lot depending on angle, how light comes from certain angles. Volume up and down buttons, SIM card tray, and sides are already collecting fingerprints. And the lightning port is there as we didn't get the USB-C for the iPhone 14 models. And the power button on the other side. But yeah, there we have it. Unboxing and first look of the iPhone 14 Pro. And if you're new to this channel, I'm an engineer that has passion for everyday technology, health technology, smart home, but also personal finance and lifestyle topics. And if you made it this far, I hope today's video was useful. Please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, experiences or whatever comes to your mind. I'll try to answer all. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.